Sis, what if I told you your girl stumbled upon one of Boohoo's and ASOS vendors? Yes, girl. You surprised too? And if you done shop with their website before, you know that they pretty much got some good over there. I just had to come and drop this tea on that. Honey, you gonna wanna stick around for this entire video, Chad. Stay tuned. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, girl. So I realized that a lot of y'all really appreciated me dropping that wholesale vendor tea. So you know I had to be real stoked, child, when I realized that I got even more to deliver on that ass. This time around, I'm gonna talk about a company by the name of Fashionline. You ever heard of them, child? No, that's okay. I got you. Fashionline is a wholesale clothing vendor and clothing manufacturer. This company, child, got over 10 years experience. Yes, sis. They not new to this. They true to this. And they have worked with plenty of brands, including ASOS, Boohoo, Self Portrait. Their resume goes on and on and on. Now, this company drops thousands and thousands of new inventory and style weekly, providing wholesale buyers with top quality for the low child. Now, this company was also so kind enough to send me over a few pieces to try out, honey, so that I could have that firsthand. So you need to go ahead and put your notification bell on, child, because you're gonna want to see that haul. I know you're probably wondering, like, child, but where they located at? Because sometimes that does matter. And get this, they have multiple locations, including one in the US, in Los Angeles. They also have UK, child. Shout out to the London people, them. One in Singapore and one in, is it Guizhou, China. I hope I'm saying that right. But as you can see, this company gets around, child. So let's talk about a few of the advantages with doing business with this company. First off, they have top of the line quality pieces. Everything that I've seen has looked up to par. Even others who've done hauls on this company have raved about the good quality that they receive, child. I know a lot of times, a lot of these wholesale companies tend to offer nothing but those two-piece sets that's just the scratchy, real cheap looking like material pieces. But to me, this one gave a little bit more of a business feel, casual, career woman, you know, somebody who's a little bit more elevated and on they just chic and classy. And I don't see that in a lot of online boutiques. I'm just being honest, honey. Also, sis, it's the fact that they offer plus size clothing as well. I know a lot of times other vendors tend to have these nice pieces for the ones that are slim, you know what I'm saying, very tiny, petite. But honey, this company also has good for us ones with more to love, with the fupas, with the curves. So if you are looking for a vendor for a plus size boutique, honey, this that one, son. Now, another thing is that they offer fast fulfillment and shipping, child. How many times have we waited on our package? Okay, this company has guaranteed shipping, source between 7 to 15 business days, and that's hella quick coming from China. I'm just saying. I don't know about you, but I done ordered in the US and done waited way longer. Not even that, I love that this company walks with you every step of the way. They keep you updated, letting you know how many times since you done placed the order and you had to be running behind the company for updates and trying to figure out when your package coming. That's not the case here. Another thing I really like, source, is that they cater to everyone's pockets and needs, honey, when I say that. Because, you know, shipping can be a little pricey now. I done seen a lot of people done say, oh, the shipping was too high, too expensive. But they have options. They use DHL, which is their quickest way to be able to get your so if you need it ASAP, honey, you can get it. They also uses FedEx, and they also have small package. Using this option allows you to be able to get your for the low. It's way more inexpensive, but it does take a little bit longer, honey. So it's what you gonna have? You gonna have patience and pay less, or you gonna go ahead and spend that coin and get your ASAP? I absolutely love the fact that they prioritize shipping, because shipping does matter, child. I say that in every video, honey. It matters. We want our when we want our okay? Whatever your prerogative is, honey, they got you. The prices are very, very inexpensive. Did I say that already? Honey, when I browsed this website, I was in awe at how inexpensive they were selling some of these garments. Are you not tired of dealing with the middleman? You no longer have to do that, child. You can go straight to the source, this company here, and you could look and stop spending double and triple the price and get it for the low with the source. These prices are so affordable, boo. I'm telling you. Just look. If you don't believe me, check the link in the description box. All the tea gonna be there as well, and browse their site and see what I mean. Another thing that this company offers that is really dope, child, is customization. Some of y'all who are already in the whole boutique industry already, you would know what customization is. Before you ones who are just getting your feet wet, they offer this service of customization, which will basically be your virtual agent or assistant or your butler, honey, or your little helper. And this will basically take the load off of your shoulder, because you are already stressing or have other things to worry about, but this company got you. Once you purchase from their inventory, you can shoot them an email and you can let them know how you would like your pieces to be. For example, let's say if you have a logo, most companies have logos. You can send them over your logo, and you can have them to add that to the plastic baggies that your pieces will arrive in. If I was a business owner, honey, I would want my stamp on everything. They even go as far as changing out the tags to your company's name. They also have hang tags that they can add to your pieces to make it look even more, elevated, how that should be looking when it comes from Macy's and stuff. Care labels, private labels. For you ones who already have vendors, is your vendor taking care of your needs like that, sis? I'm willing to bet that a lot of these things that I'm saying that they offer, your vendor don't, Chad. Instead of you hiring an assistant or whatever, you already pretty much have that with the company. Now, just so you know, sis, this company currently has a promotion going, and in this promotion, it's allowing your MOQ to be as little as 1 piece, sis. I know y'all probably like, girl, you speaking Spanish. What's MOQ? MOQ is minimum order quantity. So basically how many pieces you will purchase from this company. Most times when you're dealing with a new vendor, you tend to purchase pieces that you either have on hand or that you want to sample and try out to see if that's really the type of thing that you want to offer in your boutique. Most times you have to do a minimum of 6, which is normally 2 smalls, 2 mediums, 2 larges. However, this company says, I'm allowing you to be able to order pieces at the quantity of 1. Just so you can be able to try them out, fill it out. I feel like this is really, really good for you ones who are newly getting your feet wet when it comes to the whole wholesale vendor, having a whole boutique and a store and starting up your own business, honey. I feel like this is really, 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 really a good option for you that a lot of wholesale vendors does not offer. This could ultimately allow you to conclude whether or not if you want to bulk buy that piece and offer that in your boutique. I am gonna say, sis, this is a limited time offer that they're doing, this promotion. So you want to go ahead and hop up on it if you're interested in filling them out. Even after this promotion expires, this company offers a MOQ of at least 2, which is still way lower than a lot of its competitors, boo. Another thing that's really great about this company, child, is that they offer refund. refunds. They do have a refund policy. So let's just say you get some things that you're not really feeling, which I doubt, honey. But just in case, because you never know, they do allow you to return items, I believe, within 7 days. If they arrive defective or anything like that, you can always notify them, honey. They are there to help and work everything out with you. And I also noticed that they allow you to do exchanges rather than a return. Sometimes people prefer to, you know, pick something different. So that is an option as well. Now I am going to show here on the screen just how you can register online for this company, and also a little bit of the ordering process, just in case you're a little confused or you need a little bit of guidance. Honey, you already know I got you. Okay, so you would basically just log on to fashionlinefactory.com. Look at the top left-hand corner. They have like 3 lines. Scroll down to account, and then you will follow these steps to sign up. Now, I think this is pretty self-explanatory, boo. You pretty much just add to the cart whatever item you like, and then you will input all your information. Don't forget to use that coupon code, boo, MZ20. Save you a little coin, and then you pretty much just check out. But you can see here on the screen the different shipping options they have that I mentioned earlier on in the video. I don't know about you, but this company here, in my opinion, has really got a lot of great positive vibes. They got a thing going, sis. I say you should definitely give them a try, sis. Stop stressing about who's gonna be your wholesale vendor when your girl is right here placing it right into your lap. Remember now, sis, y'all is gonna see that haul real soon with these pieces from this company. So be sure to subscribe, honey. And I know I just dropped that tea, so be sure to thumbs this video up. All of the company's information will be down in the description box. You know I got you. If I just dropped the tea again on that ass, be sure to drop me a teacup in the comments down below, honey. That's how I'm gonna know it's real. I want to thank you so very much for taking the time out to watch my video. Until next time, later.